I am here today not because I want to be. I am terrified. I am here because I believe it is my civic duty to tell you what happened to me.
But I have never done this to her or to anyone.
The unfortunate thing for these alleged victims is the more they're heard, the more that details are released and proven untrue.
I couldn't see who pushed me. Brett and Mark came into the bedroom and locked the door behind them.
Before the Senate and the nation, before my family and God, I am innocent of this charge.
I drank one beer. Brett and Mark were visibly drunk.
Sometimes I had too many beers. Sometimes others did. I liked beer. I still like beer. But I did not drink beer to the point of blacking out, and I never sexually assaulted anyone.
How are you so sure that it was he?
The same way that I'm sure that I'm talking to you right now.
Well, what you are telling us is this could not be a case of mistaken identity.
Absolutely not.
Tonight, Ashley and my daughter Liza said their prayers, and little Liza, all of 10 years old, said to Ashley, we should pray for the woman.
Indelible in the hippocampus is the laughter, the uproarious laughter between the two, and they're having fun at my expense.
This whole 2-week effort has been a calculated and orchestrated political hit.
My family and I have been the target of constant harassment and death threats, and I have been called the most vile and hateful names imaginable.
Judge Kavanaugh, will you support an FBI investigation right now?
I will do whatever the committee wants to.
Personally, do you think that's the best thing for us to do? You want to answer?
You know, look, Senator, I've said I wanted a hearing, and I've said I was welcome anything. I'm innocent.